Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is really special. I am doing my first collab with another YouTuber. Yay! She is an actual gem. She is here on YouTube as well under the name Gabriella Francis. She's been a super supportive person I've met here on YouTube, and she likes, comments, follows me on Instagram. She does it all, and she's such a sweetheart. Her stuff is linked down below in the description box. I'll throw some up in the cards here. She's also going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. Don't know why we picked 5 because it's going to be so stressful. I know it. I absolutely know it's going to be so stressful, but it should be fun. So if you want to check her video out as well, it will be linked down below. Check it out. See if she does better than me. I'm sure she will, because this is going to stress me out and it's going to be a mess. If you want to see more videos with us or collabs or have video ideas for us to do, leave them in the comments down below. Leave her some comments. Leave her some love. I would love to help her grow in the community. She's such a positive and sweet person. With that being said, did I say this already? It is a 5-minute makeup challenge. With that being said, I'm going to put some disclaimers here. I did cheat a little bit in the sense that I have everything I want to use laid out in front of me. That way I'm not rushing to find something. So I have all of that laid out here. I'm just going to get started. Let me get a 5-minute timer set up. Oh, also, if you see the background changing, I'm slowly transitioning into a better setup. So good things to come. Ignore the wires and the TV back there. We're still moving stuff. This is going to be a mess. Okay. Pray for me. Because this is going to be such a rush video, I'm not going to really tell you what products I'm using. I'll put them in the description box. This is going to be a mess. Is everyone ready for this? We got 5 minutes on the timer. Mirror in hand. Beauty blender puffed and wet. Let's begin. And go. Oh my god. I forgot primer. I literally already forgot primer. Oh my god. I told you it's gonna be a mess. I literally didn't put primer on my face. Oh my god. It's not enough, not enough. I'm also added layer of stress here. Brand new shirt. Don't want to get makeup on my shirt. Oh my god. Congratulations to whoever won the giveaway. Also, that was picked yesterday. Congrats, or the day before, I don't know. Whenever this video goes up, congrats to you. Oh my god. Oh my god, where's my concealer? Oh. Oh my god. We don't have time for precision. I'm taking too long. I know it in my bones, moving too slow. Powder. Oh. My boyfriend's sitting next to me. He's probably, thank god he's not looking. Thank god he's not looking. I probably look like a mad woman. Too much powder. Okay. How much time? Oh my god, there's only 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. Blush, bronzer, highlight. Blush, bronzer, highlight. Blush, bronzer, highlight. Just a little bronzer. Oh my god. 5 minutes is not long. We were talking like, oh, maybe we'll do 10 minutes. And Gabriella was like, let's do 5. It'll be more hectic. I'm like, girl, I don't have time to answer that text. I don't even know who sent me a text. I also don't have time for eyebrows, so there's not even an eyebrow pencil out here. Shout out to me. Got myself the Natasha Denona highlighter for my 100 subs. Gift for myself. Wow. My ring light's making me very bright. Don't have time to fix it. I haven't even done eyes yet. That glow though. There's powder everywhere. Cheating. I got my ColourPop eyeshadow so I can just put it on real quick. Super cheating. Hey Siri. How much time's left on the timer?
It's running at 1 minute and 21 seconds.
Oh my god. This is really hard. No comment on that. That's scary. There's some people talking or yelling outside. There's 12 seconds. Oh my god. Where's my lip stuff? I'm speechless. Let's take a look at what I was able to do. I know you can't tell because the light makes it look a little better than it is. The bronzer on my forehead looks actually insane. It's a big, there's a big, it's on this side. There's a big brown circle right there. And like, it looks like I took my bronzer and just went, and that's it. I think that's what I did. I think that's what I did. I mean, thanks to the light, that looks snatched. But it's not. It's not at all. My mascara looks crazy. No eyebrows. No under eye shadow. In the end, I'm actually impressed that I was able to get it to look this decent. And that's on waking up 5 minutes before you have to leave for school. That's how you get this look. This is crazy. The highlighter though. This highlighter, I got the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Glow for my 100 subs. Just, I mean, look how stunning that is. And baby, she's stunning. Not to pat my own back, but I think I rocked this challenge. It's nothing too glamorous. It's nothing too fancy, but boy, does it look good for 5 minutes. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I had a fantastic time filming it. It is a small and short video, but boy is it mighty. This was a total blast to film, and I'm sure Gabriella had just as much fun as I did, so don't forget to check her out down below. I also want to send a super big thank you to her for collabing with me and coming up with this fun idea. It was a really great time, and I'm glad we got to do something like that. Shout out to you one time, homie. Like I said, don't forget to check hers out. Send her some love, send her some comments, send her a follow, subscribe to her channel, do all that. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Tell me what you thought. Do you think I rocked it for 5 minutes? Because I think I did. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah, tell them to subscribe to me.
Subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
And that one.
And follow me on social media.
That too.
And follow Gabriella.
Yes.
Thank you for the collab. You're supposed to say that.
Right now? Yeah. Thank you for the collab.
Thanks for watching.